Hello, Stowe Eagles. Today you're going to do formas geométricas, geometric shapes, and colors in Spanish. And you're going to use PowerPoint. To get to PowerPoint, you push the Windows button and type POWER, PowerPoint, and click on the PowerPoint. It'll open up here shortly. Here it comes, slowly, slowly. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And there it is. You're ready to go. So click on blank presentation. It'll open up and your title will be Las Formas. Come on. Geométricas. It's just like on the slide. And then you go, go back home. And right here you do new slide. And you're going to insert, click on insert, and put in a shape. So let's do a square or a rectangle. Rectangle's fine. Rectangle right there. And we'll leave it at that color. If you want to do, here's the color, shape, fill. And let's do black. All right. And you're going to call this one un rectángulo negro. And you can put it right in the middle. If you want to do two of them, you sure could. So insert and another rectangle. Let's do one over here. And let's make this one red. There's my red. And I'm going to have to insert a text box to make text. So where's my text box? Right here, right there. So I make a text box, and then I do this word again. Un rectángulo rojo. New slide, right here, new slide. I prefer the blank slides myself. And I'll do two more shape for you. Insert. Let's do a ovalo. And let's have it be my favorite color. And then I need to put the label in. So I insert. Over here is text box. Un óvalo anaranjado. Okay. Do as many shapes as you can. You can do different colors. You should do at least as many shapes as your age. If you're 10 years old, do at least 10 shapes. If you're 6 years old, do at least 6 shapes.